Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add welcome bot to your Discord server. Now, adding a welcome bot to your Discord server can help greet new members, provide server rules, or automate tags. Now, here's how to add a welcome bot in using the Discord web app. The first thing to do is to open your browser and go to Discord web. Then click on Open Discord on the website and log in with your account. Once you're in, it takes you to this homepage. So first you have to search for a welcome bot. Visit the bot directory websites such as top.gg or another trusted source where Discord bots are listed. In the search bar, go ahead and type welcome bot or select a bot that has welcome features. So this is top.gg. So search for the top bots in Discord. And I'm searching for welcome bots. Search. Okay. Okay, I don't think this is really displaying the bots now. Okay. So these are the Discord bots. You have Nover, you have Mackie, and a couple of categories. So click on the bots you want to add to open its information page. Okay, I think I'm going to have to change this to something like welcomer. Okay, so click on the bots. Let's say this is sticky bots and this is like a welcomer. The next thing you need to do is to look for the invite or add to server button. Now this is invite. So once you click on it, once you click on invite, it will redirect you to Discord authorization page. On the Discord authorization page, you'll see a drop-down menu that is labeled add to server. So let's see how that works. So it says add a bot to server. That's add to server. Now click the drop down and select the server that you want to add the bots here. So I like the Affis server. Now you need to have manager server permissions to add a bot to a server. And once you're done, click on continue. Then review the permissions that the bot is requesting. For a welcome bot, permissions may include read messages, send messages, manage roles. So once you're done, click on authorize to approve and add the bot to your server. So complete any captcha verification if prompted. So wait, are you a human? Please confirm you're not a robot. Let's see how that works. And I'm going to confirm that I'm not a robot. Okay. So once that is up, the next thing to